6:35, we're chatting about it earlier today, the political ramifications as well as the financial implications of the SNC Lavalin controversy. Mike.
Yeah, indeed, Tammy. Good morning. Shares of SNC Lavalin start this day on the TSX at a 10-year low. Stock has dropped by 26% so far this year, and it's lost over 30% just in the past 12 months, all embroiled in this political and business controversy, whether or not SNC was pushing for favoritism within the Auditor General through the Liberal government to lessen fraud charges against the company so that it would be continuing to be able to bid on contracts. The company's CEO, Neil Bruce, was recently said that all of this political overhang has dented the company's business in as much as it is slowing the new work contracts coming in. So SNC employs about 8,500 people in Canada and more than 40,000 worldwide. Its share price has been severely hit by this. The company's also been hit with a credit rating downgrade by Standard & Poor's. Wall Street is doing some very big things with the markets recently. In fact, the U.S. markets are on pace for their best start to a year since 1991. Stocks have surged for the past couple of days in the U.S. benchmarks, the Dow and the NASDAQ, and the Dow's up 9.5% year to date, all predicated on the belief that the U.S.-China trade negotiations are making some headway toward a deal to avoid March 1st tariffs, which could dent the global economy. Well, it's the end of an era in the aircraft industry, with Airbus announcing plans to halt production or end production of the super jumbo jet, the A380. This plane was the flagship, really, for the European aviation industry when it was introduced just over a decade ago, but it's faced fairly slow sales just due to its size. And not much of a resale market either. Some of the initial planes that were first built by Airbus of the A380 have been scrapped for parts because there was just certainly just no subsequent buyer for those planes because they're so big on the secondary market. And Roger, with this being Valentine's Day, some new gift opportunities, I suppose we'll call it.
All right, let's hear them.
With the legalized cannabis market.
Yeah.
Survey by Lifton Company, one of the early players in the legal weed trade, says that...
I don't care what it is. Your laugh is making me laugh.
Yeah. 11% of Canadians, over 3 million, say that they will incorporate some sort of cannabis into their Valentine's Day festivities. I just find it funny. I'm such a traditional guy. I can't.
Well, you know, I guess...
Wine and roses, you know.
The couple that smokes together
stays together. Nice.
Why not?
Nice. Sure.
11%.
Hello, yeah, and probably on the rise.
Don't say it with flowers anymore. Say it with buds. All right, Michael, thank you very much, sir.